Hello friends, this is Doraemon and Shan Mahmood, and today we are playing GTA Vice City Shan Edition Pakistan mode part 1. Let's skip the movie. There's the main title, you all know. I don't have any load game yet. What the damn? Shit. Type the cheat. What the? Oh! I'm saved. I'm getting it. What the? Hey? You're swimming? There are so many parkour modes installed in this game. I will show them later. Let's go, Tommy. Skip this movie. Let's go, sir. But first we'll save the game. Okay, let's explore the game. First, you can see this room. Wait a minute. See? But the TV is paused. Oh, a Mini Cooper. What? A bulletproof glass? What's this door? Let's go down. Come on, Tommy. What? Okay. First thing. What the heck is this guy doing? Hey, you mister. What's just happening to him? Come on, man. Wow, a lady Spider-Man. So beautiful. Wait a minute. Hey, baby. What the fuck? Wait a minute. Here's well. Oh, not anymore. What the heck are you doing, man? There's so many Spider-Man. Hey, yeah. Come on, come on. Whoa. Spider-Man is getting form. Come on, there. Nothing. Whoa. Who is he? We know this person. It's Leon from the Resident Evil. But where the heck he's running? Come on, man. Let's run it. Brave guy, why are you running? I'm sick of this. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. No, not yet. See, we all know this guy, Wally. Hey, you wanna fight with me? Come on, man, fight me. What the? He can't fight. Whoa. Come on, bro. A bike? Let's shoot all. What? A robot with blood? Qaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. 10 rupees. Ambulance. Actually, cheap as ambulance. Hello, mister. No, who's in the text? Come out. He's running away. Let's do this. Where the heck is he gone from? Hey. What are you doing? In a fight with me? No, man. Oh, come on. Here. I am Assassin's Creed. Can't fight with me, man. I can do this. And this. And no obstacle. And this. No? Whoa, man. A Green Lantern. Come on. Whoa. Now I need a car. Get there fast. What the heck was Trump doing? Let's play some Pakistani song. Whoa, Leslie. Shells Falcon. Wow. Stickers of Pakistan. And each and every one. And flags of Pakistan. And OPIA 661 or 166. I just remember. PGCL. Okay. In Lahore, we have a mobile franchise. I mean, in the second island, it is Lahore. Yes. Huge building with lights. Okay, now you can see the road is filled with snow because we are entering now. First, we are going in 90 MQM. As you can see, this is MQM area. Whoa! MQM's uniform. Let's do some creepy thing. Oh my god! Cheat, cheat, cheat. Get the heck out of here, Tommy. Okay, we will continue this in the second part of our GTA Vice City Shine Edition Pakistan mode. So, yeah, bye bye, friends. Thank you.